Hello viewers, welcome to Trend and Track channel. Today I'm here with a new recipe that is coffee choco cake shake. Yes, it sounds too large, but I must say you can have a great evening with this. Yes, you can experience the flavors of chocolate, coffee and a creamy texture at a time. Are you excited to know how to prepare this? So, watch this video. The main ingredients required are coffee added to some milk, 1 cup of it, our ever favorite chocolate ice cream, Britannia chocolate cake, Hershey's chocolate syrup, finally a beater. You have to smash 2 pieces of Britannia cake in a vessel smoothly. And now add 2 to 3 spoons of ice cream to this. Now, as we discussed in the ingredients, add a cup of coffee added to milk. Now beat it well with a beater until the ingredients mix up well and a creamy texture develops. And after this, chill this mixture by keeping it in a refrigerator for a minute. After that, decorate the glass with Hershey syrup as you see in this video. Now, our chilled shake is ready. Pour that shake in this glass. You can see the foam floating on the surface of the milkshake. You can decorate it by sprinkling some coffee powder on this foam. Our shake is ready, friends. If you like the video, please subscribe us.